back to our channel. My name is Anna.
And I'm Tyler.
And today we're going to be talking about meal planning. So, Tyler, how do you meal plan or how do you prep for the coming week?
Yeah, not gonna lie, I'm a little bit spoiled because my other half definitely is
Very
the cooker.
jealous.
But some things that we've done over the years, he used to come back from work at a pretty reasonable time. Some days kind of varied. So he would usually cook, but cook a little bit extra. So we'll cook for dinner and then cook for lunch for the next couple days maybe, especially if he knew he was going to come home late the next day and wouldn't have time to cook. Then we cooked enough so that we both had dinner and then we had lunch the next day. Now that he gets home late pretty much every day, we've turned into like the Sunday meal prep kind of people.
Nice.
So he's cooking pounds of meat and lots of vegetables every time that every Sunday.
That's nice, especially like whenever you're not working, you just knock it all out, you know.
Which is kind of daunting if you think about it as meal prepping.
Yeah.
But for some reason, when you just say, I'm just gonna cook extra, so I've got lunch the next day, like it doesn't seem quite as scary. And we get like maybe beef jerky. We'll get a big bag, and I have a food scale. I think food scales are really important, especially for little things like nuts or jerky or stuff. I really try and measure it out.
Yeah, because you don't realize like how many like nuts you're eating, and one serving size is like 140 calories. So if you're just taking a big handful, that might be doubling or tripling the portion sizes. So that's a really good idea.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of the food scale kind of measuring out. I try to do it the night before or the morning, or like something like jerky, I'll just do the whole week and put them in baggies.
Yeah, and something too that really helps is having a good Tupperware. So I know Tyler has glass, and I'm a big component of glass, but I do have plastic, but it's purple, so I can't see through it, and I don't like that. One thing I recommend is getting clear glass containers. That way you can kind of see your food, see like what you're eating that day, and put it in the microwave. It's safe. And it's just overall a good idea.
Yeah, and that's a big deal too for us, because sometimes he'll do rice, whereas I'll do cauliflower rice. So if I can't see through and I have to open every single one every day, like it's not really that big of a deal, but it kind of is. I never even thought of that.
Yeah,
but having a clear container definitely
especially
helpful.
Like I have OCD, so it's just nice having clear containers, having your food like this is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, and it really helps you not overeat too, because you know like how much you're getting. You're not making it and going back for more. It's a set amount. And another thing I do too is I go to Costco. I don't know if y'all have a Costco or Sam's membership.
BJ's if you're in Summerville.
Yes, I still have not gone. I want to go. But if you go to Costco, you get a big thing of broccoli, frozen broccoli. It's like $6 for
frozen veg is the best.
It's the best, and all you do is just put it on the pan, you roast it for 25 minutes with olive oil, salt, and pepper.
So simple.
It's so easy, and you're done. And that's like your sides for the week. Or you get sweet potatoes, put cinnamon, olive oil, like everything. If you just buy it and you're done, bake it that day, and you have it for the whole week. I highly recommend. And one more tip. I also have plastic containers, and every time I get, say, like my chickpeas, my snacks, I already pre-portion them out into plastic baggies. That way I don't like, when I come home from work, I don't sit there and eat a whole bag of chips. I always portion them out into the portion sizes.
That's smart. Yeah, like I do with the jerky and the nuts and stuff. Definitely helpful. I had another tip and I lost it.
Well, if you guys have any tips, please comment below. We would love to hear them. And again, meal prepping, I think it saved our lives. Like working all the time.
And it doesn't have to be daunting. It can just be little things. Oh, the other one that I always tell people, chop your veggies before they even hit the refrigerator. Like celery rots at the bottom of my fridge. All those vegetables, if you chop them and bag them, you're more likely to get through them.
Just like
and
celery,
good snack
carrots,
options around, like you were saying, that you're not going and having chips or things that you shouldn't have. Another thing, I learned so many things. You can get pre-portioned guacamole cups, salsa cups, hummus cups, everything, and you don't even have to like. Some people, peanut butter cups. There's so many things. You just put them in your lunchbox, and it's the perfect portion. And all you have to do is just grab it and open it. Yeah.
That's it. It's so easy.
Big fan of the like grab, toss in your lunch bag and be gone.
That's what I do every morning.
Yeah, don't be afraid to bring that lunch bag. You know, that's
your best friend.
I know.
I carry mine everywhere.
Everywhere. Put ice packs in it. keep it with you, whatever you have to do. It's definitely helpful. And to have backup snacks too, even meal prepping, quote unquote, your backup snacks, like the nuts that I just kind of keep in my bag just to have, or jerky, or, you know, a protein bar. You know that we don't love those, but they are really helpful to have around. Just as a backup. Better that than the drive-through.
Exactly. And if you come in,
moms, I see you.
If you come in today or any day, we can help you create a grocery list so you can go to the store and we can help you meal plan. I think it's super helpful to have a list, go to the store and knock it all out and then make it that day and you're done. So, anything else?
No, just extra meals are always good to have around. Extra snacks are always good to have around. Portion things out. When you make extra at dinner, purposefully put them into Tupperware, like serve yourselves and the Tupperware all at the same time. That way you've got lunch for tomorrow. Your pans can soak while you're eating.
Yes.
Win-win. It doesn't have to be daunting. It's really the big thing that I want to say. Just do it.
Easy, mindless. Once you get a routine, you're set, and get your friends involved, your kids, your husband.
They can chop things. A lot of them, they can put things in little baggies. They can watch the scale go to 1 ounce for you. Like, they can do it.
It can be a fun family activity together. So again, if you have any questions, drop your comments below, and we would love to hear your ideas. And we hope to see you guys soon. We'll see you next time.